Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do this look right here. I call it a cut crease, like a brown cut crease. You see that? And without wasting any time, let's start the video. So I will do my eye makeup first. I already done with my eyebrows. Look at that. I also put on a concealer on my lid and I didn't set it with a powder. And I will move with this Morphe Gems Charge palette and take this. Ooh, look at that. Using this shade, this one, I'm going to put it on my crease and blend it out. Let me photograph you in this life in case it is the last time that we might. Using this brush, take this shade and then put it right on my lid. Wow, look at that. When I'm done with this, when I have done with that, I will take this brush, this one. Let me show it to you. Hey, this brush. With this brush, I will take a lighter brown. This brown, this one, and buff it out. Put it on top here and then just blend. Using this concealer, I will put it at the back of my hand. This is the concealer from Colourpop, the No Filter Concealer in shade number light 18, and I am going to cut my crease with this what do you guys call it? Concealer, yeah. Suddenly I forgot the words. So I am just going to do a half cut crease. This one, this shade, I will put it on the lid that has my concealer, the one that I cut with a concealer. But before that, I'm going to clean this brush. I'm going to clean the brush. Okay. Hey guys. Using this shade, this one. No, I didn't want that shade. Using this shade, this one. Oh, I think it's the best for me if I just use my finger, but let me try with a brush first. Let me try with a brush and see if it worked. Oh, it did work, but not much. And then using this shade, this one, I'm going to line my eyes, like just buff it around so that it will look smoky. And then with this shade, this one, the one that I used to blend everything, I will put it underneath my eyes. Because I still care. Actually, I already put on this Hangover Primer from Too Faced. This one. And I will go straight to put on a foundation. This is a foundation from Colourpop, the No Filter Foundation in medium 100. This is actually not my shade, but I gotta use it to finish it up because I bought it with my own money. Actually, my cousin is here with me, so I'm going to talk with her as well as explaining things in this video. Yeah, right. And I'm going to use this blending sponge. Blends up everything. This is actually a bit yellow, not my shade, but I gotta use it because it is expensive. But I think in the camera it looks like my shade, but real life bukan.
What are you doing, Nana?
I'm doing makeup.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah. And then with this concealer again, I'm going to put it underneath my eyes and my chin, my nose, also my forehead. And then using this Hop Girl Blooming Loose Powder in number 23, this one, I will set my face. By the way, I am going to contour my cheek using this Tarte Pro Glow to Go, and I will take this shade. And then I will blush my face, my cheek, using this Clinique Cheek Pop. This one is in number 2, Peach Pop. So I will take this blush brush, and then put in my cheek like this. Last, I will use this brush to highlight my cheek using this Tarte palette again, and I will take the Glam shade, just lightly put on my cheek like this. Oh my god, you see that? Okay, last, I will use this lipstick. This is the lipstick from For You To Cosmetic. It's the You Are Mine lipstick in number 18, My Teddy Bear. The name is so cute, but I'm not. Wait, I think I actually forgot something. I forgot to put on the lashes, no, on a mascara using this Essence. What am I saying? Kuasa ko lupa na po na ibadah sebenarnya. Actually, I forgot to put on something, which is mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara, and I'm going to put it on my under eyes so that my eye will look bigger. And it will be the real last step, and I will not say I forgot anything else next. I'm not going to say that. I'm done. My Lower Lashes already has the mascara, and I think this is complete. But I'll be right back.
I will always remember the day.
This is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you again on my next one. Bye.